Alright, yo, I'm about to make the best boat ever. My boat's gonna be better than yours. Nah, bro, bro, I'm making the better boat than you. My boat's gonna be my boat's gonna be less normal than yours. Nah, bro. Let me build what I wanna build. Yo, I wish I had the copy and paste tool. Wait, I probably just buy that. I have Robux. Yo, yeah, I know it's kind of cheating buying Robux, but who cares? Never mind, I'm too broke to buy Robux. I don't have enough Robux. I don't exactly know how much I have, but all I know is I have. So, doing that in August is extremely cringy. Saying get a load of this guy. It's you sound like a certain someone. Damon, should we bring up your awesome racing? Your golf cart racing? Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. What? Making a plane. Oh, who thinks it? Oh, I'm making a plane, bro. Bro, I'm out of bricks. Alright, I need more. Not get banned. My fault if we get banned 100%. Yeah, we'll just make another channel. Yeah, because it's kind of our whole premises. Look at my abomination. Look at my abomination, man. No, it's not, bro. It's crude humor. We're not gonna get a strike. Okay, I don't know if any of you guys have heard of a wonderful channel called Joe Bartolozzi, and he doesn't get strikes on his channel. He sounds like a truck driver. Yo, I'm making the best boat ever. The abominable snowman. We're just not gonna look at mine. I'm not. I'm nowhere near ready for launch. Because I still have some stuff to place. Because I said I'm making a plane. Remember when I said I'm making a plane? Yeah, it's not a plane yet. I'm taking some inspiration from my man Vitamin Delicious. I'll leave a link. Oh, what does this do? I forget what this motor does. Nah, bro, you still need balloons to fly? That's pretty weird. Where's the... I need to find my pilot seat. Where the pilot seat at? got the pilot seat. Let's do it. Let's. Mine flies. I'm flying. No, I didn't save it. I'm flying. I'm flying. My boat's flying, guys. I'm about to beat Damons so easily. Bro, Damons cooked. But my boat is so good. Yeah, bro. You need to actually be able to control it. That's how you're gonna win. So you're getting beaten. You're getting beaten by this boat. You're being beaten pretty bad. Nah, bro, but you're getting beaten by. Yo, you just stole that from Emeron. No shot. Alright, guys, we're gonna win, bro. Team Alex in the comments. Say which team. Say either Team Alex or Team Damon and whose team you are on. Oh no, my jets ran out of fuel, but my boat's probably gonna be fine. I should have added that stupid motor on it. Wait, oh yeah, forgot. I'm in a boat. Oh, don't take damage. I took damage from that. I'm not gonna do that again. But you know, I know exactly what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna make a robot. I've made a robot before in this game, and I'm gonna make one again. Yeah. Next round, we're working together to make a robot. Horribly. You know, all we need, if we get on white team, I know an abomination that actually works that you can easily grind to the end very quickly and easily with. Team Alex has won. Oh, it's time. Okay, we're gonna restart now. All right, it's time to restart. Bye, my beautiful creation. That hopefully won't get us a strike. All right. So it's time to make a robot. You know what? What's the point in making one if you already have one? I already have a robot. Oh, yeah. Just don't question why the robot's head is massive. No, I'm driving. You don't know how to drive it. You're gonna end up flipping it. Yo, 100% I'm gonna get to the end, bro. I'm 100% getting to the end of this. And there's a panic room too. If we need to panic because Damon can't drive it, when it's Damon's turn. Just to let you know, this robot works like it flips. That's how the robot works. It has legs, and I'm not talented enough at this game to actually be able to make a working robot. Yo, I'm turning. I'm turning. This isn't good. This isn't good. I'm running at 4 frames per second, so this isn't good. That I can't control it. No, we're not doing that, Damon. Sorry, but like every round. Never mind. You'll just drive the next one. We'll go on the aircraft carrier next, and you'll drive it. Cause trust me, bro, this thing is not fun to drive. Okay, we're finally back on our feet. That's how you're supposed to drive this thing by like flipping. It's a good thing we got on our feet because it straightened us out. That's why. Why do you keep checking the live subscriber count like we're gonna gain any? Here's what happened. I actually had a decent channel that was just me with like 70 subs, but of course it somehow for some reason got deleted. So yippee. I had 70 subs. If there is a 1-year-old viewing it, skip the first part, this first challenge of the video, or only watch Damon's POV. Do not watch my POV. Not as much. That's crazy. So every video is like, yeah, we literally got double content though. We post double content because I make it funny. You just make corny jokes. I make it funny. No, bro. No, bro. You're riding the aircraft carrier. You're driving the aircraft carrier 100% of the way. I don't know if there's a panic room in the aircraft carrier. Well, the reason I made a panic room in here because this one's like literally flipping to drive it. Oh, I hate this level. Okay, no, Damon. Yeah, you can drive. Yo, you can drive, Damon. I guess that's the conclusion of this round. No, I mean this is the conclusion. Alright. All of these are coming from my stage because I'm better. What is this? Let's see this. What is America? Whatever. Oh yeah, I forgot there's also a plane on it. So then if you drive too rough, it's gonna crash. But oh yeah, I remember that. I remember that. I so remember that, bro. Flashbacks even. Oh crap, I forgot there's no driver's seat. Alright, it's just gonna be me and you, there's no driver's seat. Oh, okay, whatever. Bro, but the carrier's full. What about when that plane runs out of fuel? You know, you can fly the plane. You realize gliding's not a thing in this game, right? We made the wings just as soon as it runs out. Okay, I'm staying inside the carrier. Launch. Oh yeah, this is natural. You realize that those engines don't. You realize the engines. I just took damage from that. Yeah, I actually would like that. I'm going to the bed that I made. This is actually pretty cool, but I made a custom bed in the game. As Damon horribly struggles to fly the plane, I am peacefully gliding along in my aircraft carrier that I made a very long time ago. 3 years ago, actually. In like 2022, 2023, I made this. And it is, the time of this recording, it is it is August 25th, 2025. Yo! 5. Wait, I never realized that. It's the 25th on 2025. Yeah. Nah, bro. It's the 25th month. The 25th day of the 25th month. Damon, stop! You're gonna flip me! Stop! 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 Yo! You just flipped me almost. Stop. Maybe this is why I told you don't go on the plane. I warned you about this thing. I warned you about the plane, bro. Looks like it's just Alex POV now. Your plane ran out of fuel. And do what? You're gonna die. Oh, it looks like it's just Alex POV now. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna reset. Time for round 4. I don't even know. Huh? I don't even know. Wait, white is open. The white team is open. So get on the team, because I know a glitch that you can I know a perfect glitch, so you can very easily get to the end of the game. We're gonna show you all of you guys. So unless they patched it, this should still work. So I have to make it first, but unless I patched it, it should still work. I don't think Damon knows this, but it's literally basically no, remove that. Remove it. Because this cheat is just let me build it. Just let me build it. Just let me build it, please. Please, just don't do anything. I want to build it. Oh, where's the booster at? There it is. Booster at the end. I gotta put in 2 seats. No, I gotta put in a. I'm putting in 2 seats. I built this before. It doesn't. The balance doesn't get thrown off. Watch. Okay, fine. I'll build 2 seats. 1 seat there, and no, not that seat. No, no, the phone's gonna throw off the balance. Bro, the phone's gonna throw off the balance. Phone's too heavy for a tiny person. Tiny seat for a tiny person. I think it should still work, but I don't know. Oh crap! The balloons aren't enough. I made the thing too big. I made it too big. We have to. This is gonna be round 4 redo. Round 4 redo. Okay. Okay. Now we're having a contest. Whoever can make the better glitch machine wins. That's what you have a booster. I saw you put a booster on yours. No, I didn't. It doesn't really matter. Alright, that should be good. And maybe what I'll do is I'll just make double. Maybe I'll make double balloons. Dan, get off mute and deafen. Oh, my bad, guys. He was not on mute and deafen. He gave you some cake. Yo, what is this? What is this, bro? What is this? Damon, we have to re-record this. You just said what the hell? Really, bro? No one had to watch it. No, No, not a bit corny. He just do not say what the hell ever. If you want the channel to take off, do not say what the hell. You know, I'm doing a favor to all of us, and I'm turning on isolation mode. Yeah, it means no one can come into our building unless you're part of the team. Now he's stuck. Yep, that's what you get. Where's the balloons at? Where's the balloons, bruh? We're playing balloons T6. Yo, should we start a Minecraft Let's Play series? If this video... Actually, no. We're not about the other YouTubers to say, if this video gets 200,000 likes, we will start a Minecraft Let's Play series. We're just gonna start a Minecraft Let's Play series. We're not gonna get some sort of like goal or any sort of goal. We're just gonna... It should be today, bro. I'll just go to the game bar. I'm ready. 100% I'm ready. I'm already ready. Alright, I know what I'm doing. Because now... Why are you putting fireworks, bro? You know what fireworks do? They just launch into the sky. And also for pressure balloon. There we go. Mine's working perfectly. Mine's working perfectly. I think you might have just seen mine passing by, actually. Mine's working perfect. I knew this was going to work. Come on, come on. No! No! Come on, just please survive. Yes! I made it! Now this drifting shore, I made it, though! Yes! I made it! I'm so happy! Let's go. This video just... Wait for me to get to the end before it. Wait, don't end it yet. Don't end it yet. I'm just gonna record my victory.